Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Let's learn some shapes. Let's start. Circle, triangle, square, triangle, star, heart. Let's learn some color. This is purple color. This is orange color. Sky blue, blue, pink, red, light green. This is green color. Circle. Circle. This is orange color. Triangle. This is pink color. Square. Square. This is sky blue color. Triangle. Triangle. This is purple color. Star. Star. This is red color. Heart. Heart. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe kids. Thank you.